guys, welcome back. So today I am doing another unboxing video. So this is a butter box. This is from the brand 1822 Denim. They reached out to me and asked me to review this box for you guys. And I was so excited when they reached out to me because 1822 Denim is one of the brands that Stitch Fix carries. So if you've been around here for my Stitch Fix videos, you know I am very particular with my jeans. I'll have all the information on this box and the jean outfits that I use in this video today linked down below for you. But before I get any further into this video, I wanted to say hello if you are new. I upload new videos every Monday and Friday that are about either fashion hauls, clothing reviews, or makeup and lifestyle content. If you like topics like these, definitely consider subscribing. I would love to get the opportunity to get to know you and share some inspiration with you. So as I mentioned earlier, the butter box is from the brand 1822 Denim. It comes with 3 pairs of their best-selling jeans in your choice of either high-rise or mid-rise. So of course, if you've been here on my channel, you know I went for the high-rise box. And just to be clear, this isn't a subscription box. This is just a one-time value purchase. By the way, I have not even looked at these jeans yet, so I have no idea what's in this box. I wanted to save my first impression faces with you guys. After I show you the jeans, I'm going to give you some outfit ideas and style inspiration, and I'm going to show you how they wear and fit. And then at the end of this video, I will be sharing a promo code that you guys can use if you are interested in purchasing any jeans from this brand. Oh, it looks like I won't need my scissors after all. This just opens, there's no tape or anything. I love this bright yellow. Makes me feel like sunshine. They include a care instruction card right here. So they say to machine wash cold, you turn the jeans inside out, you do not add bleach, and then you just tumble dry on low. So right here we've got 3 pairs of jeans. They have a little tag right here that says that they're the high rise. So these feel very lightweight, which I'm actually really excited about because that'll make them really nice for the summer. Wow, these have a lot of stretch to them. A lot. This pair is the high-rise ankle skinny size 30, so I'm assuming that's a size 10. Hopefully these will be long enough for me. They do look long enough. There's a little bit of fade around the pocket area. It's very simple and it's really nice because, wow, I really like how much stretch is in these. I'll just have to cut this off. So it says the dye used in making your jeans could rub off on light colored clothing. So they're pretty adamant about making sure that you turn the jeans inside out, which I'm pretty sure you're supposed to do that anyway. I mean, for those of us who need extra instruction, like me. Okay, so these look really nice, and they do look like they're going to be high-rise. Okay, can't wait to try this on. Yeah, this one is darker. This is the darker wash. This is the mid-wash. Why does this one look a little bit shorter? This is the high-rise ankle skinny. They feel like a pair of leggings. So far, so good. I think it's just gonna all come down to trying it on. And then this pair I'm really excited about because I love black jeans right now. I wear them with everything, especially those black pair of mom jeans that I have from American Eagle. In fact, these feel like the stretchy material from American Eagle that I love. It just goes for a nice, comfortable wear. They look like they're going to be long enough, but I guess we won't be able to tell until I try them on. Alright, so that is everything in our butter box. I just can't stop stretching them. They're so nice. I love how there's no distress on these. These are just like a basic to have in your closet. These are just really simple. I'm going to go try all these on in the living room and give you guys some styling ideas and just show you how they wear and fit. Okay, so these are the dark wash. Okay, I can't even tell the difference. These are so comfortable. So a couple things that I'm noticing. The only issue that I'm concerned about is sometimes when you stretch something out too much, it just ends up getting like really baggy. Doesn't feel like it's gonna be like that, but you never know. So that's just one thing that I'm noticing, but I love how these are looking on me. And one of you were actually asking how to dress up jeans, and I think just like a simple way to do it is just to throw on like sandaled heels. I think that's a good way to do it. So I didn't take the tags off or anything just so you guys could get an idea of what it looks like. It's almost like a cropped jegging style, and I actually kind of like it. It makes it a little bit more summery and spring. I don't think I would actually wear these in the winter though. just because they are really thin. I definitely think that these are perfect for the summer and springtime. Feels very natural in my hip area. Usually I have to get curvy styles because I have such wide hips, but this one actually fits really well and it's very comfortable. I feel like I can move around with ease. These aren't the high waist that I like. Like, I like these super high-waisted. I think that they still fit me really well. So I almost feel like these give my butt a little bit of a lift. I'll definitely have to let you guys know how they wear over time. But so far, I really like them. I believe that these are the darker wash. I keep on getting them mixed up because the colors are so similar, which it would be really nice if they came up with a lighter wash of these because they're so comfortable. So I don't know if I'm crazy or what, but I feel like these are more high-rise than the jeans that I just tried on previously. But I went for like this plaid top because I love the contrast of it against these jeans, and then just kept the nude heels because I think it's just like a cute summery look and it keeps it a little bit dressy still. They were so easy to pull on because they're so stretchy and soft. And still, like, I don't think this high waist is as high as I typically like it, but I feel like most brands don't make the high waist that I actually really like way up here. I feel like that's a little bit uncommon. I don't know what it is, but I feel like these ones are a little bit more flattering than the ones I just had on. I don't know if it's because these are the darker wash or what. And something that I'm noticing with these jeans is that they kind of give you that wrinkle effect that real jeans, the thicker jeans, give you. So it gives the illusion that these are heavy quality, heavy duty jeans, but they're actually like super lightweight and very, very flexible. So yeah, right here, it gives you like almost that crease look that you get in jeans. I love it. And I kind of want to go get like a sparkly belt to wear in here just to make it like stay up as high-waisted as I like it. And maybe I'll look on ThreadUp and see if I can't find like a sparkly belt. I do love an all black edgy look, and this is perfection. Did tuck the shirt in all the way, and I feel like it lays really nice with these jeans. An all black edgy look like this is one of my favorite things to do, especially for a fancy date night. You can wear like sparkly dangly earrings and then these nude heels. Again, like, I wear them with everything. I think these are a better fit for this top than my mom jeans because they're a little bit more fancy, I guess. The mom jean is definitely more casual. These, I feel like, bring it up a notch. So once again, you can see that they don't hit as low as I normally would, but I still like it. Like, it's actually growing on me quite a bit. It's actually kind of making me want to get into the crop styles. They're all the same size, but I feel like the pair that I wore before this one were the ones that fit me the best. These are definitely a cross between jeans and leggings. They are comfort level, but they still give you the illusion that you really tried and you really dressed up and that you're wearing hardcore jeans, but you're actually not. So I just want to come in here and really quickly finish up my final thoughts on the box, and I think it's a really great value for the price that they give. The value price for this box is $117, but they keep on having sales because I was looking a couple days ago and this box was listed at $79. So you can actually get the butter box for $79 right now. So that's really good value because usually in our Stitch Fix boxes, at least for me, I get jeans that are $100 for one pair. So I definitely am going to update you in the future on how these wear and how long they last. This is great timing because all of my leggings have been worn out because we've all been home and I've been wearing leggings a lot. So all of my leggings have holes in them now. It's like jeans and leggings had a baby. So you can use my code to get 20% off a full price item. You can't get 20% off of the box because it's already at a really good value discounted price. So that is the butter box. I had never heard of it until they reached out to me. I had heard of 1822 Denim because of Stitch Fix, but I actually have never gotten anything in my Stitch Fix boxes. So it was nice to actually try them out for the first time, and so far, for my first impressions and first try on, I really like them and definitely recommend them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some inspiration, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.